Kasama ko na naman ang mag-ama ko guys, kaya isasama ko na rin kayo. Let's go! Errand day!
What is that sound?
Really close.
Alright, another errand, guys!
What, Matthew? Yeah, we'll stay seated, okay? Is that what you like?
My husband is looking for the camera that was here.
You're ready.
And I don't even know where it was. Or where did it go? I don't know.
Old dude.
Oh, so nice day again, guys. Look at that. So I don't even know that probably I have been robbed. Show your muscle. Show me your muscle. This is my wealth, guys. This. Look at that. Different color. I've been staying in the sun too long. My husband is white, guys.
Huh?
But he looks like Italian, Latino, whatever.
What?
Child of God.
What the hell is that? Someone is in a... Man, someone is so impatient.
That's for emergency only.
Class of 2024. Maybe that's the reason why they're honking. Yeah! So, ang lakad natin ngayon guys ay magpapa-car wash tayo ng aking sasakyan. Si Mr. daw ang magbabayad. And after that, mag-grocery tayo. Pero sa susunod na upload ko na yun ipapakita sa inyo. Abangan nyo ha! Another day, another fun. We're going to do car washing today. Are we going to do the lazy car wash or the self car wash?
Just put it in neutral, sit back and relax type car wash.
Okay, yeah. Guys, bakit ang sama ng tingin ng anak ko? Yung nasa likuran ko. Tingnan nyo. Mukhang gutom yata itong anak ko. What is this?
I'm gonna go get the car. You gotta pay for the car wash first.
Oh, okay. Then why are you parking here? Okay.
There's no other spot.
Okay. Whatever.
Yes, please. So
I don't question the driver. That's etiquette, guys. Never ever question a driver. Especially when they're finding a parking, it has to be them. Okay, let's lock it, guys. Baka ma-hold up kami. Ma-hold up. Wala naman akong maibibigay. At nandito na nga tayo sa loob ng car wash, guys. Napaulala pa ako. Sandali lang, guys, at i-fast forward na natin. So this is how much we paid for a car wash. It is a premium car wash, $11. My. So if we press this one, guys, my hiney is gonna get cold. Yan, may AC yung aking upo. AC. How's your balls doing? How's your hiney feeling there? Because my husband put full blast of AC for his seat.
I'm chilling.
You're chilling. And this is where it comes out, guys. Oh, di ba? Yan. Para hindi pagpawisan. Hindi pinagpapawisan ng mga singit-singit pag nagbabiyahe. Sana all. That's why I like this car.